Are you looking for a quick and effective way to streamline your HR recruitment process? In this video, I'll show you how to use Outgrow for HR recruitment and why it's a game changer for your hiring efforts. Stick with me till the end, because I'm also going to share how you can use this software completely free, plus a special bonus you don't want to miss. Outgrow is an interactive content creation platform that helps HR teams engage with potential candidates more effectively. Think of it as a tool to automate and personalize recruitment funnels, giving candidates a more interactive and streamlined experience while applying for jobs. By using Outgrow, you can create quizzes, assessments, and surveys that act as engaging pre-screening tools for your hiring process. This means you can weed out unqualified applicants early on without spending too much time on manual screening. First off, you'll want to log into Outgrow's dashboard. It's user-friendly and intuitive, so even if you're new to the software, you'll find your way around quickly. Once logged in, you can start building your first interactive quiz or survey for candidates. You can create these from scratch or use Outgrow's pre-made templates. For HR recruitment, the goal is to ask the right questions to assess both skills and cultural fit. Let's talk about quizzes. With Outgrow, you can design quizzes that test a candidate's knowledge on the skills required for the role. For example, you might ask questions about specific tools, techniques, or industry knowledge related to the position. The platform offers multiple types of questions, including multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended responses, which you can use to evaluate how well candidates meet your job requirements. Surveys are another great tool you can use. Create surveys to assess soft skills, work habits, and personality traits to see if they align with your company's values and culture. It's essential for finding candidates who not only meet the qualifications but will thrive in your workplace environment. Outgrow's logic-based branching ensures that you can customize the experience for each candidate, guiding them through questions based on their previous answers. What's great about Outgrow is how easy it is to embed these quizzes and surveys into your recruitment website or landing pages. You don't need any coding skills to do this. Simply use the embed code and your interactive content is live. This will help you filter out candidates in the early stages of recruitment, saving you time and energy. One of the biggest benefits of using Outgrow is the data collection. The platform provides detailed analytics on every candidate's performance. You can track which questions were most difficult, where candidates dropped off, and what kind of answers they provided. This data helps you refine your hiring process and better understand what candidates bring to the table before moving them to the interview stage. And here's the best part. You can create all of this for free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. Yes, you can start building your recruitment funnels without spending a dime and enjoy additional features that other users might not have access to. Now, I know you're eager to get started, but before you dive in, keep in mind that while Outgrow is user-friendly, the key to really utilizing its potential is making sure you tailor your quizzes and surveys to reflect the most important qualities for your company's culture. When you do that, you'll be well on your way to revolutionizing your hiring process. To sum it up, Outgrow is a powerful platform that allows you to automate your recruitment efforts through engaging quizzes and surveys. It helps you attract and assess the right candidates, saving you time and effort. Remember, you can start using this software for free right now with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the link in the description. Don't wait any longer. Try Outgrow today and see how it can transform your recruitment process.